This here is a familiar shape to a lot of you guys. This looks like our model 770. Well, this is our model 770 low cost. Essentially what it is we took our model 770 and pulled as much cost out as possible. This is geared towards replacing bulb customers using like our 700 lamp. Essentially bringing the cost way down, still having a good output. This is a flood pattern only on this.
So to make it replaceable for halogen, the customers don't always have positive and negative controlled on their wiring. So this is polarity neutral. It doesn't matter which way the lamp was originally wired. Halogen will run regardless. LED normally won't unless you have the proper positive and negative. So this one's polarity independent. So you can directly plug it in as a halogen replacement on an existing tractor or put it into a new tractor and not have to worry about polarity on your wiring.
And the same interface as like our 700 with a Packard connector. So should be a direct replacement for bulb. So encouraging your OEM customers to switch from halogen to LED just makes it a bit easier.
Only?
12 volt only on this one. And then this one has an unglued lens. I can show you, we have a very simple circuit in here. This is one of the things that helped us to drive the cost way down. It also meets very stringent EMC requirements. So pretty much any customer you have, this should meet their EMC requirements, including your agriculture customers, which do have a little bit stricter requirements. It is a vented lamp. It is IP67 and IP69K. And it is 12 volt only, as Gary mentioned, but it is our low cost solution for bulb replacement and opens up other new opportunities for people who may want just a low cost flood work lamp.
Yeah, it's got a real homogeneous pattern with using the direct Lambertian light from the LEDs itself, as Greg showed, with just coming through the lens optics that we used to use on the halogens. It gives you a real homogeneous pattern in this flood. And the other advantage to remind people if they're looking to upfit or choking on the cost difference from halogen to LED is LED, this lamp is going to be full bright regardless of voltage, right? So if you don't have 12 or 13.5 volts coming off your alternator, let's say you got an older vehicle, your agricultural tractor has been corroding out in the fields and you're down around 11 volts, our light will put out full brightness at the range of voltage that it's designed for. That's always an easy upsell on LED when you're retrofitting from halogen to LED, whether that's headlights or work lights. You're going to get full brightness as long as you're in that operating voltage range. It isn't susceptible to the voltage like halogen is. Halogen, as your voltage drops, your color temperature drops and your light output drops. You crank up the voltage, it'll come back up again. LED's steady state. It's always going to be because we're controlling the drive current.